Hello, my dear students. I think you are passing your time at your home due to the corona pandemic. Those who belong to class 12 are supposed to complete the SSC final exam, and those who belong to class 11 are supposed to get yourself admitted into the class 12. But now, unfortunately, the pandemic has made everything upside down. Everything is falling apart now. We cannot let ourselves remain in the cocoon. Our process of imparting and receiving education cannot be locked down. Dear students, the triumphant march of coronavirus will come to end in the days to come. Finally, we will overcome in dealing with the crisis, I hope. Dear students, all of you are welcome to my class. This is my profile, Muhammad Shamsul Arifin, and the position I am holding and the name of the institution in which I have been serving. Students, now look at the picture. Here are two pictures here. These two pictures belong to the same lady. Can you guess who the lady is? She was an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. And she was the lady who touched the sky. She was one of the 7 astronauts killed when the space shuttle Columbia broke up upon re-entry over Texas. I gave the clue. Now can you tell, students, who the lady is? She is Kalpana Chawla. And this is the topic we are going to focus on today. This is the chapter. People are in institution making history, and this is the title of the lesson, Two Women. At the very beginning of the text, students, we need to get familiar with some new words. Isolation, বিচ্ছিন্ন হয়ে যাওয়া, the state of being separate from people, place or things. Here in the picture you see the process of being the process of being isolated. And next word, centrifuge, a machine which turns a container round quickly causing the solids and the liquids to separate. Actually, its centrifuge test is a process through which the solid substances are separated from the liquid ones. Next word, spacecraft, Mahakashyan, a vehicle that can travel outside the earth and into space. Here is a picture of a spacecraft. And next word, weightlessness, ওজনহীনতা. That's the state of being weightless in the space. You see what happens to the man in the space when they are in the spacecraft in that space. Next word, ill-fated, হতভাগা, unlucky and often unsuccessful. You see what happens to the Titanic that sank in 1912. Next word, nausea, the unpleasant feeling of wanting to vomit. You see in the picture, bumi bhav. A space suit, a piece of clothing worn by a person who travels in space. মহাকাশের পোশাক. You see the man in the picture with a space suit. Here is the text, students. We will be reading out the text. Take the text before you. We will be going through the text simultaneously. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, India, and she completed her earlier schooling at Balniketan Senior Secondary School. তিনি তার প্রাথমিক পর্যায়ের স্কুল শেষ করেন কার্নালের ঠাকুর বালনিকেতন সিনিয়র সেকেন্ডারি স্কুলে এই উপমহাদেশের, and she is the first Indian woman and the second person in the space from this subcontinent. এই উপমহাদেশের তিনি প্রথম ভারতীয় বংশোদ্ভূত নারী আর মহাকাশ ভ্রমণে দ্বিতীয় নারী. After graduating from aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India 1912, Chawla moved to the United States the same year. 1982 সালে ভারতের পাঞ্জাব ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং কলেজ থেকে এরোনটিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং সম্পন্ন করার পর একই বছর চাওলা যুক্তরাষ্ট্রে চলে যান। She obtained her master's degree from aerospace engineering from the University of Texas in 1984. 1984 সালে তিনি টেক্সাস বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় থেকে এরোস্পেস ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এ মাস্টার ডিগ্রি অর্জন করেন। Determined to become an astronaut in the face of the Challenger disaster 1986 that broke apart 73 seconds into its flight, leading to the death of its 7 crew members. Chawla joined NASA in 1988. 1886 সালে চ্যালেঞ্জার বিপর্যয় যেটি উড্ডয়নের 73 সেকেন্ডের মধ্যে ভেঙে পড়ে 7 জন কর্মীর মৃত্যু ঘটিয়েছিল, সেই বিপর্যয়ের মুখেও নভোচারী হওয়ার দৃঢ় প্রতিজ্ঞা নিয়ে চাওলা 1888 সালে নাসায় যোগদান করে। Student, here is a word here, NASA. Are you familiar with the word? It's an abbreviated form. The elaborate form, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It's a US government organization that does research into space and organizes space travel. Next line, next sentence. She began working as a vice president, where she did computational fluid dynamics research on vertical takeoff and landing. তিনি ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবে যোগদান করেন, যেখানে তিনি ঊর্ধ্বমুখী উড্ডয়নের এবং অবতরণের উপর কম্পিউটেশনাল ফ্লুইড ডাইনামিক্সের উপর গবেষণা সম্পন্ন করেন। In 1991, she got the US citizenship and started her career as a NASA astronaut in 1995. 1991 সালে তিনি আমেরিকার নাগরিকত্ব লাভ করেন এবং 1995 সালে নাসার নভোচারী হিসেবে তার কর্মজীবন শুরু করেন। She was selected for her first flight in 1996. 1996 সালে তিনি তার প্রথম উড্ডয়নের জন্য মনোনীত হন। So students, it's a long text to follow. There are so many lines to go through. You will be reading the text at your home. I am going to the next slide. It's a fair work. Here are some questions here. You are supposed to write down the answer of this question at your home. Where was Chawla born? When was she selected for her first flight? And why did she go to the USA? And why did she join NASA? And how did she die? You'll be writing the answer of this question and send those answers to me through messenger. So students, next slide, homework. You'll be writing a paragraph. Write a paragraph in 150 words about Kalpana Chawla based on the information provided in the text. You can take the information from the text. Your paragraph should not exceed 150 words. You send a copy to me through messenger. So students, now it is the time to conclude. Stay at home, stay safe, remain glued to a study. I'll come before you with different topic tomorrow. Thank you very much.